Serious allegations have surfaced from Sukhodevpur Government Upper Primary School in Basudevpur Municipality in Bhadrak district, where the midday meal program was reportedly stopped, leaving students without food. The school has 109 students from class 1 to class 8. Earlier, a private agency was supplying midday meals. However, following complaints over poor food quality, the education department directed the school authorities to prepare meals on campus about a month ago, and cooking had been continuing regularly. Despite this arrangement, the headmaster allegedly stopped the cooking of midday meals abruptly on Tuesday. As a result, all 109 students remained fasting throughout school hours and survived only on drinking water. It has also been alleged that no dry food or alternative arrangements were made by the school authorities. The situation sparked outrage after it was claimed that while some students went hungry, the headmaster left the school premises and went home for his meal. Meanwhile, no official response has been received from the block education officer. The incident has raised serious concerns over the implementation of welfare schemes and the accountability of school authorities, highlighting the urgent need to safeguard students' rights and well-being in government schools.
आज मध्याह्न भोजन बंद अच्छी केवल अर्थ अभाव विद्यालय को अर्थ मध्याह्न भोजन बाबद अर्थ व्ययबराद कौन प्रकार व्यवस्था करा जाए नहीं। गत नवेम्बर आज पिला माने विद्यालय किसी खाई ना पिला मानकु से मध्याह्न आम घर को खावाई पठेदेलु। कहारी परमिशन आवश्यक पड़े ना कारण पिला माने 1 किलोमीटर परिधि मध्य रोचंती एवं निकट घर अच्छी एवं घर पाखु से जाई खावाई आम पठेदेलु।